Good morning everyone, this is Franco Messina. So medyo maingay lang po yung ating microphone kasi nandito tayo sa mismong Aurora Boulevard. So yan. Right now we are standing in front of Aurora Escalades Tower in Cubao. This is situated along Aurora Boulevard beside Toyota Aurora Boulevard. Ang lupa po na kinatatayuan nito is 3,300 square meters. And this is composed of one single tower or one single building. Ang floors po natin, ground floor, meron tayong itatayo dito na Robinson's Supermarket. Meron din ilang shops. Tapos nandirito sa likuran yung ating lobby. So ngayon, makikita po natin, meron tayo ditong entrance. Papasok. So sa likod, nandoon yung ating lobby. Sa likod naman ng building natin is Aurora Escalades East Tower. So, itong nakikita po natin na second floor to fifth floor is the parking areas. Yan, parking spaces. Second to fifth floor. Yan. Ang ganda po, di ba? And then, ating 6 to 7 is the amenity floors. Imagine nyo guys, 6 to 7 floor, amenity floor natin yan. So yan. And then the residences is composed po ng 2 zones, 8 to 10 and 11 to 22nd. Sa 23rd is yung ating overlooking na roof deck amenity. So yan, napakaganda po. Hindi pa lang po tayo talagang allowed pwedeng pumasok doon sa dulo kasi under construction pa. So nandito lang tayo sa labas. So this building is composed of 1 bedroom and studio units. But sad to say, dahil sa napakaganda po ng ating development, puro studio units na lang natitira. Very few units na lang po. So this building would be turned over December of 2024. So yun po yung ating target. This is a very good development of RLC Residences kasi makikita po natin na itong building na ito ay tinatawag na home investment. Bakit siya tinawag na home investment? Kasi ito po ay ina-allow ng Airbnb. Ina-allowed po rito ang Airbnb. So pwede nyo siyang tirhan at pwede nyo naman siya na iparent out. So guys, if you wanna know more, stick to our Facebook page and see you later.